Well, after a wild week of stock market action here at the New York Stock Exchange, a new week is preparing to kick off right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. And investors, they're wondering if we will see more of the same seesaw trade to kick off the month of October 2022. Now, last week, despite a midweek rebound courtesy of the Bank of England purchasing bonds in order to help steady the UK markets and the British pound, the S&P 500 traded at 2022 intraday lows several times. And if you're wondering what's causing the slide, it's fears that a recession will not prevent the Federal Reserve from raising interest rates even further or more aggressively. But that's now all in the past. A new week awaits, and it's a busy one here in the United States. We have several key jobs reports due out. We also have some key rate decisions due out, just to name a few. So let's get started and discuss what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. We kick off the week on Monday in the United States here with ISM Manufacturing PMI for the month of September on the docket. Expectations call for an unchanged read of 52.8, while the Chinese markets will be closed for the Cheng-Yung Festival. Tuesday kicks off down under in Australia with the RBA interest rate decision due out. The RBA rate is expected to remain unchanged at 2.35%, while Chinese markets remain closed for the National Day holiday and throughout the rest of the week. Wednesday sees us begin in New Zealand with the RBNZ rate decision. That rate currently sits at 3%. Meanwhile, here in the United States, September ADP private payrolls await. Private payrolls sitting at 132,000. In addition, September ISM Services PMI on the docket, a reading that's expected to come in at 56.5. Now Thursday begins in the European Union with August retail sales figures due out. Expectations call for a read of negative 0.7% year over year, while the U.S. will see the release of weekly jobless claims figures. And on Friday, we first begin in Switzerland with that nation's unemployment rate, a rate that currently sits at 2.1%, but all focus will be on the U.S. employment report. First, September non-farm payroll is expected 250,000, while the September unemployment rate expected to remain unchanged, 3.7%. Meanwhile, keep an eye on geopolitical headlines here in the United States, as they have been moving the markets a lot as of late. And until next week, reporting live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICF.